Hi guys, I'm going to use a lip tint, a lip liner, and my MAC red lipstick to do this eyeshadow lip makeup tutorial, I guess. So we start with using the lip tint, putting one dot in the middle of your eyelids, one in each eye. Then you dab it around your eyelids using a finger. So in here I overused my forefinger. Poor finger. I like to add another dot just to add more color, but if you like a lighter eyeshadow effect, you can just use one dot. But in this I used two dots and it's very red. Just continue dabbing. Don't worry about if it looks like a mess, because we can fix that later on. So in here I add a dot of a glitter just to add with the shimmer of the eyeshadow. But if you don't have glitter, it's alright. The end result will still be beautiful. Just like you. I know you're beautiful. So same way of spreading it. I'm just gonna conceal my dark circles with a concealer while I'm doing my eyeshadow. Next to apply is our red lipstick, which is from MAC. So again, you just dab it in the middle of the eyelids. Don't worry, it won't get dry. It's so moist. This is the good thing about lipstick. It's so moist that it won't clog on your eyelids. It will look smooth. It's actually perfect for a night out if you'll be staying for long hours outside with makeup, because it stays long last. So now in here I'm trying to fix the shape of the eyeshadow using a finger by just following the corners of your eyes. So following that curve, dab it. Now we apply a powder, and here I use this brown palette powder. You can use any powder just to fix the moist of the eyeshadow. This also helps in keeping it long lasting. I'm just brushing off the eyeshadow just to blend it together, and I also like to put some eyeliner just to add for more definition. If you want a tutorial in how to put a liner, I can also make one. Just comment down below if you want to, or you can DM me on my Instagram, SimpleGwen. Now I'm just blending the concealer. I won't really use foundation in this makeup. Okay, I just fast that forward just to save time. And now we are using this lipstick just to add more color under the eyes. And it's also color coordinated with the red lipstick. How about you guys? How do you do your eyeshadow? Can you share in the comment down below? I'd really love to hear from you. Or you can message me directly, or if you want you can copy this tutorial. That would be nice, yeah? white liner or anything shimmery under your eye gives an illusion of a wider or bigger eyes. Let's add another accessory. Since I have very tiny lashes, I like to add false lashes just to give more beauty. How do you say it? To beautify it more. Do you like putting lashes? To end this look, of course, we need to use our red lipstick. If you're still here till the end, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I'll be making more videos to come. Please like. If you don't like, please do unlike. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So, till the next video again, stay true and stay beautiful. Love ya.